Hey guys, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So for today's video, I'm going to rank all my KAYALI fragrances. I have all 8 fragrances from KAYALI. If you want to know my thoughts about KAYALI fragrances, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is another fragrance perfume video. I hope you still are enjoying these kinds of videos. So for today's sponsor, we have Dossier. I am proudly working with Dossier. I am a fragrance lover and a good company working with me with my videos featuring their perfumes is such a big deal. So Dossier is a company that creates fragrances and candles now, inspired by iconic fragrances without the premium price. So it's a fair alternative to luxury perfumes, meaning if you don't want to spend $350 for a Baccarat Rouge 540, they have an alternative for us. It is the Ambery Saffron. It's only $49. This is pretty much Baccarat Rouge 540 in a different bottle and in a different price, which is very affordable. I could safely say to my nose, this is a very dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540, and it's a really good dupe because they don't smell like chemicals. Dossier is a very good company that creates inspired fragrances. And I've tried a lot of companies that does that. Dossier doesn't have the chemical smell that I can get from other companies. My top 3 would be Ambery Saffron. This one is the Baccarat Rouge 540. My second favorite is Oriental Cherry, which is a Tom Ford Lost Cherry. And my number 3, my new favorite, is Woody Sandalwood. This is Le Labo Santal 33. With all these fragrances, if you can't afford the real deal or you don't have the budget for it, these are good alternatives and they are very spot on. Go on, check on Dossier. I'm going to link everything down in the description box. Alright, so let's start our KAYALI ranking. It's kind of hard because I enjoy them so much, and KAYALI is really known for layering. I would say that KAYALI fragrances are very easy reach. It's fall right now, so take that note. Sometimes your favorites would change according to season. I am in New York right now and it's very fall. You can smell that autumn crisp in the breeze. It's very enjoyable. Okay, number 8 is KAYALI Deja Vu White Flower 57. I got the 50 ml. Deja Vu White Flower 57. So the number 57 times that they changed the fragrance. This is very floral. To describe this, among all KAYALIs, this one is the most mature. This reminds me of Chanel fragrances. All Chanel fragrances are very in the kind of mature way, and they're all floral. They're beautiful, smell from successful women. First time I had this, I was not into fragrances yet, but I collected KAYALIs already because I am into Huda and Mona. Mona Katan is the sweetest and kindest person, but it was not my cup of tea. I didn't like it, so I didn't really use it as much. Look at that. The atomizer of KAYALI is the most beautiful atomizer. It sprays so perfectly. Yeah, there's a lot of jasmine in this perfume. The notes are actually listed at the back of the box, but they're not complete. Jasmine could be indolic, and indolic could be like a very jasmine, or it could smell like feces, like literally poop. So on Fragrantica, it describes as white floral, woody, sweet, tuberose, fruity, vanilla, patchouli. I hate patchouli, but I can't detect patchouli in this one. Powdery, animalic. So it says here that the top notes are gardenia, nectarine, pear. Middle notes are tuberose, orange blossom, Indian jasmine. Those are the white flowers. The base notes are Tahiti vanilla, patchouli, cashmere wood, and sandalwood. I enjoy those notes. I just don't know why I don't enjoy this as much. It gives me a headache. Honestly, I'm sorry, but that's my number 7, Deja Vu. 8 of them. I said 7, but it's actually 8. I have all 8 of them. This is hard because from number 7 to number 1, they are all my love, and I use them a lot. I really love them. There has to be number 7, right? So number 7, I'm gonna go with Citrus. Citrus is one of my favorite layering fragrances. Actually, all of them are layering fragrances. KAYALI is so smart. Introduce layering to massive of people. A lot of people don't really know about fragrances until KAYALI came in our lives. KAYALI Citrus 8. It's delicious. This is the perfect citrus that you can layer with anything. It's so good. Top notes are pink grapefruit, rhubarb, black currant, bergamot, pink pepper. Middle notes are Bulgarian rose, damask rose, and the base notes are oak moss, musk, and tonka bean. It's so beautiful. Like how she created this citrus. I am not really a citrus girl, but with this one, it's so good. So citrus is my number 7. Okay, number 6, I'm gonna go with invite only Amber 23. This is supposed to be number 7, but I put it in number 6 just because it's fall right now. When I received this would be number 7. I received this summertime. There is a tobacco note in this one. It's not tobacco that you smoke. It's tobacco leaf, so it's more fresh tobacco. It's so good. It doesn't have that smoky. It just smells like angel share. Top notes is sour cherry, tobacco leaf, honey, chocolate, hazelnut. Middle note, Ceylon cinnamon, May rose, damask rose, and citrus leaf. Base notes, amber, oud, vanilla, super oil, benzoin, patchouli, sandalwood, and musk. I got 50 ml because I know I'm not gonna wear it as much. I already have angel share. Angel share is similar to this one, except that this one has cherry. The cherry gives that nice fruity twist. I don't smell any chocolate in this one. I smell sweetness from vanilla and honey, but I don't smell honey. It's just the sweetness of honey. Yeah, I smell a lot of cherry, a lot of cinnamon, vanilla, and amber. It's very dark and sexy. If you are into a darker kind of perfume, heavier, this one is definitely to check out. If you need a fall fragrance, check this out. It's so good. Tom Ford Lost Cherry and Kilian Angel Share had babies. It would be invite only. If Tom Ford and Kilian got together, it would be invite only. Number 5 is Musk 12. This one is another good layering fragrance. By itself, it's really good too. It's so good. I imagine this perfume wearing by that girl, like a cool girl. I mean, the one that drives motorcycles, who always wear dark clothes. I would describe this as a woody, sweet musk. It's sweet because of the vanilla. The depth is coming from sandalwood, which is amazing. I like sandalwood. I prefer sandalwood, like santal, over oud. Top notes, freesia, lotus. Middle notes are musk and jasmine, and the base notes vanilla and sandalwood. It's simple as that, but when you smell it, it's so delicious. I am a gourmand girl, but I'm also a musk sandalwood kind of girl, and I enjoy it so much. This is a good layering fragrance, and I say that so many times because the performance of this is not as good as the others, but when I layer it, that's when you get the performance so well. Layer this with KAYALI fragrances or any fragrances that you have. It makes such a good difference. It gives other fragrances a boost, sillage, and performance. It wears longer layering with other fragrances. Musk 12, this is my number 5. Number 4 is KAYALI Elixir. This one is my favorite bottle because it's black. It's very glamorous. I can smell red apples, sweet red apples, and flowers. Top notes, red apple, rose petals. And then the middle notes are Rose de Mai, May rose, jasmine sambac, my favorite jasmine. For the base notes, there's patchouli, amber, and vanilla. Red apples is one of those notes that I really do not think that I would like. When I wear it, I enjoy it so much. It's so beautiful in fragrances. Mix elixir, musk, citrus, and vanilla. So good. Heaven. And it's beast mode. It wears the whole day. It's such a good layering fragrances, those 4. Elixir is the most unique from the first release. So there were 4 fragrances that were released. Elixir, musk, citrus, and vanilla. And I think that Elixir is the most unique among 4. Elixir was my favorite when I got them all 4. You guys can tell. I put a lot of dent in it. It's right here now. I love Elixir. It's a favorite. Number 3. This is becoming easy because I know my number 1, 2, and 3. Number 3 is Vanilla 28. And this one is the most famous KAYALI. It's always out of stock. The favorite layering fragrance. Vanilla is just very popular. Vanilla fragrances is the most popular in the market. Every brand has a vanilla fragrance. Add vanilla, people are gonna love it. Masculine or feminine, both genders love vanilla. This one is a very simple vanilla. Top notes for Vanilla 28 is vanilla orchid and jasmine. Middle notes are brown sugar and tonka bean. So delicious. Mona Katan. Base notes, amber, musk, amberwood, and patchouli. So those are the heavier notes that would make the fragrance last longer. But a lot of people are saying that vanilla 28 that doesn't last that long. People are complaining about the performance of this perfume, but it is a very good layering perfume. And again, when you layer perfume, it gives that boost, good performance, and it wears throughout the day for me. I don't know how you guys wear this. I do not wear this alone by itself. I don't care reapplying, but that's just me. This is one of my favorite go-to easy grab perfumes. Good for everyday use, everyday wear. If you are that girl who is very simple and you just want to smell nice, I think this is very beautiful. It's very feminine, also sweet. A lot of men like this one. My husband likes this. This is my number 3, vanilla 28. It's always out of stock. You are lucky if you can find one right now. Number 2, they released this springtime. End of springtime, almost summertime. Number 2 is heavy. This one is Sweet Diamond. I think that this is beast mode. Performance wise and also sillage wise, this is the strongest of all KAYALI's. This one is the Middle Eastern perfume amongst the KAYALI's. I enjoy it so much. It's really good. This is called Sweet Pepper 25. Cute. The bottle is so pink. If you see it in person, it's actually transparent and it has purple hue inside. This bottle is so mona. Note is pink pepper, bergamot, saffron. They call it red gold because it's so expensive. Bulgarian rose, vanilla orchid, sandalwood. Perfection. 2021, they launched 3 perfumes: Sweet Diamond, Invite Only, and my number 1. Because of COVID, they're supposed to launch some 2020, but they couldn't launch it because of the pandemic. They launched all 3 2021, and I think there's one coming more this winter. That's what I think. I don't know. I have a picture to prove it. Top notes: pink pepper, saffron, royal lily, bergamot. Middle notes: Bulgarian rose, rose de mai, vanilla orchid, magnolia. Base notes: sandalwood, amber, patchouli, and musk. Everything has patchouli, but I don't recognize patchouli note in any of these. Magical display. Pink pepper, saffron. Saffron is the note that greets you, then comes with the flowers, and the sweetness comes out. It's so good. This is the heaviest, strongest of all KAYALI's. I think this is the queen of KAYALI's. I would think that somebody would wear this as a very strong kind of woman that doesn't give a shit. First time I got this, I ordered a mini bottle, small bottle at $27 because I didn't know if I'm gonna like it with the pink pepper, the saffron, and then patchouli. I wasn't sure. Such a good fragrance to release for a baby brand like KAYALI. Not that they're small brand, they're big brand now. Sweet Diamond, this is my number 2. My number 1 would be KAYALI Utopia. Oh my gosh. Utopia Vanilla Cocoa 21. Aside from having my daughter's name Coco, this is such a beautiful sweet fragrance. It has coconut. Top notes: coconut milk, pear blossom, honeysuckle, Italian lemon. Middle notes: tuberose, jasmine sambac, gardenia, amberette musk, mallow. Base notes: bourbon vanilla, sandalwood, musk, and patchouli. Sandalwood is probably my favorite wood in fragrance. I don't mind it a lot of sandalwood in my fragrance. Coconut, of course. It is not coconut water, it's coconut milk, so it's creamy. It's so delicious. With that bourbon vanilla, it's so sweet. Jasmine sambac is my favorite jasmine, and it's very expensive. This is the box. Rose gold, like lighter rose gold, and the white part is actually glittery, like sparkly, and it's the only box that is sparkly. The bottle is same as Sweet Diamond. It's foiled, but this one is light rose gold, and it has a hue, like a purple hue inside. This is very tropical, summery, beachy vanilla, very sweet coconut vanilla. I love the white florals in it. A lot of people do not enjoy the white florals here. Jasmine sambac sambac and the tuberose, but I actually do. I love it so much. I can't get enough of this. This is my favorite. I was wearing this the whole summertime. I had a 50 ml and I upgraded to 100 ml. Cocoa vanilla, although that is vanilla cocoa. There's a lot of flowers here, white flowers, and I think that the jasmine sambac is dominating in this perfume. Cocoa and vanilla are pretty much in the background. It makes the fragrance creamy. The flowers very creamy. It balances, and vanilla makes it very, very sweet. It is very delicious for me. It's special. It's a masterpiece. I would say it's really good. It's a masterpiece. I enjoy it so much. Coming from the Philippines, I think this one took me home. So good. Alright guys, so that's it for my KAYALI ranking. Again, number 8 is Deja Vu, White Flower 57. Number 7 is Citrus 8. Number 6 is Invite Only Amber 23. Number 5 is Musk 12. Number 4 is Elixir 11. Number 3 is Vanilla 28. Number 2 is Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. And number 1 is Utopia Vanilla Cocoa 21. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. Please let me know your favorite KAYALI in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!